Hi everyone, this is Asian Cutie and I'm here to share my 30 picks as we celebrate the release of our version of Chinelas by Kamikaze for Warner Music Philippines 30th anniversary. Let's go! Caramel macchiato or latte. Playlist by Road Trip. Menudo. Anime Hunter x Hunter. Avengers. Myself, Asian Cutie style. Very Gen Z. Kaya patok na patok talaga sa akin kasi Gen Z din ako eh. Happy. Kasi nakapagpasaya ng mga tao. Dream collaborator is with Arthur Miguel para sabay kaming manakit. Unforgettable talaga ang recording experience ko. Para akong artist talaga. For me, I think sunscreen. My facial expressions. Just start. Start now. I am a wedding videographer / actor / heartthrob / leading man of the year / basta kung saan ka masaya, doon ka happy. My life hack is don't problem the problem, let the problem you. Lately, talagang yung pag-workout eh. Medyo nagda-diet ako eh. So, healthy living ng konti. Di nila alam na musician ako. Ngayon nyo lang malalaman. So, ngayon ko lang ilalabas yung hidden talent ko. Dancing. Dancing. La 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 la. Of course, Arthur Miguel. Mga cover ni Arthur Miguel. P-pop. Gento. 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 Gusto ko yung music skill ko sa boses ko. Yung may madaming kulot-kulot. My favorite experience is Baguio. Nako, babalik kami dyan sa Baguio. Mga 1 taon ako titira dyan. With my Warner Music family. Always remember guys na wala kayong magagawa kung wala kayong gagawin. At wala kayong mararating kung wala kayong pupuntahan. As long as na wag kayong gagawa ng masama kasi bad yun. Menudo. Gigantes Festival, my hometown, ang Gono Town Fiesta. Sleep. Sleep, tulog na. Sineselebrate ko yung wins ko everyday eh. Kasi I believe I wake up everyday. Win na yun eh. So every day I wake up, I celebrate. And I celebrate me. Mga sinasayaw nila ni Yana Guerrero. Ayan, magagaling sumayaw. Ako nagturo dyan eh, kay Yana eh. Lahat ng nami-meet ko namang tao na followers ko, I treat them as a friend. Kaya lagi ko silang kinakamusta. Yun, memorable lahat yun. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Again, this is Asian Cutie and make sure to check out our cover of Chinelas by Kamikaze. For more videos like this, subscribe to Warner Music Philippines YouTube channel.